Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello, my lovely students. I hope you all are having great fun. Once again, I am here to teach you mathematics. Today, we are going to start a new topic. The topic is subtraction by borrowing. Class 3rd, subject Maths, Chapter 11, Subtraction by borrowing. You can see it in your Maths textbook, page number 55 to 60. Okay, students? So, before we learn subtraction by borrowing, let's do some preparation. Here you can see some notes and coins. Students, 10 rupees notes means 10 coins of 1 rupee each. In the same way, here we can see 100 rupees notes. 100 rupees means 10 notes of 10 rupees each. Also it means 100 coins of 1 rupee each. So 10 rupees means 10 coins of 1 rupee each. 100 rupees means 10 notes of 100 rupees each, and 100 rupees also means 100 coins of 1 rupee each. Here we can see some hundreds, like 200s. If we untie 200, it means 110 tens. 500 means 410 tens. 700 means 610 tens. Okay, students? Now, students, here we will see some examples of untying the tens. 3 tens and 2 units, it means 32. So, if we untie 3 tens, we will get 2 tens and 12 units. Here in second example, 1 tens and 4 units, it means 14. So, if we untie 1 tens, we will get 0 tens and 14 units. In the same way, in the last example, 5 tens and 6 units, it means 56. So, if we untie 5 tens, we will get 4 tens and 16 units. Let's do some subtraction. See the first one. Here, the number is given 51 minus 24. It means we have to subtract 24 from 51. First, we will put in a proper column the numbers. So, we will get 1 and 4 in units home and 5 and 2 in tens home. Okay, students? So, as we know, 4 is bigger than 1. So, we cannot subtract 4 from 1. What we will do? We will borrow 1 tens from the tens home. What is there? Here it is 5. So, we will take 1 tens, or we will borrow 1 tens from 5. So, this 1 will become 11 and this 5 will become 4. Okay, students? Now, we are going to subtract it. 11 minus 4 is equal to 7. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Okay, students? Now, see the next example. 73 minus 45. Here, as we know, 5 is bigger than 3. We cannot subtract 5 from 3. So, what we will do? We will take or we will borrow 1/10 from this 7. So this 7 will become 6 and this 3 will become 13 units. So 13 minus 5 is equal to 8 and 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. In the same way you have to solve this problem. Okay students? Subtraction by untying the 100. Here first step is subtract 3 units from 1 unit. The answer will get is 2. If we subtract 3 minus 1, we will get 2. Now here in tens column we see that 2 is on the top and 7 is down. 7 is bigger than 2, so we cannot subtract 7 from 2. So what we will do? In step 2, we have seen that 2 is smaller, so we take or we borrow from 100. We untie 100 from 500s. So 500s will become 400. Here you can see this will become 400 and this 2 tens will become 12 tens. So we got 12 on the top. So now we can subtract 7 from 12. The answer is 5. And here in the third step we have subtracted 12 tens from 7 tens from 12 tens. So we get the answer 5 tens. In fourth step we subtract 400s from 100. So answer is 300. So in this way, if we subtract 523 minus 171, we get 352. Some solved problems are given here. You have to see it thoroughly. Okay, students? Now, arrange vertically and subtract. First, what we have to do? We have to write this 245 on the top like this and 6 on the bottom. Okay. You have to arrange in a proper home, like units in units home, tens in tens home and hundreds in hundreds home. Okay students? So 245 minus 6. As we know 6 is bigger than 5. We cannot subtract 6 from 5. So what we will do? We will untie this tens, 4 tens. So here we will get 3 tens and this 5 units will become 15 units. So 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. And here we can see nothing is there on the bottom side or down side of these two numbers in tens and hundreds home. So we will write these numbers as it is, like 3 will come as it is and 2 will also come down as it is. So the answer is 239. See the next one. Here what we have to do? We have to subtract 240 from 407. First we have to arrange it vertically. First what we will write? We will write the bigger number, that is 407 on the top in proper homes, in units, tens and hundreds. Then the sign of minus. Then we will write 240. Okay students? Now we will subtract 0 from 7 as it is easily subtracted. So 7 minus 0 is 7. Here we can see we cannot subtract 4 from 0 because 0 means nothing and 4 is much bigger than 0. So what we will do? We will take or we will borrow from the left side of the tens, that is 100, and it is 400. So we will take 100 from this 400. So this 0 tens will become 10 tens and this 400 will become 300. Now we can subtract 4 from 10. So 10 minus 4 is equal to 6 and 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So 407 minus 240 is equal to 167. The difference between these two numbers is 167. In this way you have to solve this problem. Okay, students? Here what you have to do? We have to see the number. What is written? Write the biggest and the smallest 3-digit numbers using the given digits. Subtract the smaller number from the biggest. The number is 3, 5 and 4. First what we have to do? We have to make the biggest number and the smallest number. So how we can make the biggest number? We have to keep these digits in ascending order to make smallest number, and we have to keep it in descending order to make the biggest number. First we will make the smallest number. So in these 3 digits 3, 5 and 4, the smallest number is ascending order, means keeping the number first the small, then the bigger, then the biggest. So 3 is the smallest number, then 4, then 5. So 345 is the smallest number we have made. Now we'll make the biggest number. So in this 3, 5 and 4, 5 is the biggest number. Then we will write the smaller number and then we will write the smallest number. So we have got the biggest number, that is 543. So now we will keep these two numbers in proper order. First we will write the biggest number on the top. We will write the digits in proper homes, that is in units, tens and hundreds. So first we will write 543 on the top. Downside we will write 345. Then we will subtract. Here in units column we got digits 3 and 5. As we know 5 is bigger than 3. We cannot subtract 5 from 3. What we will do? We will borrow 1/10 from this 4. So after getting this or borrowing 1/10 from this 4, here we got 13 units and here in tens column we got 3. Okay. So 13 minus 5 is equal to 8, and we will come to the tens column. Here we can see 3 minus 4. 4 is bigger than 3. We cannot subtract 4 from 3. So what we will do? We will borrow 100 from this 500. So after taking 100 from this 500, we will got 13 tens. Okay, students? And in hundreds column we will get 4. Now we will subtract 13 minus 4. We will get the answer 9. And then the next column, hundreds column, that is 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So after subtracting the biggest number from the smallest, after subtracting smallest number from the biggest number, we will get the answer 198. Here some word problems are there. The question is, there are 175 trees in Maharaj Park and 268 in Sayaji Park. How many more trees are there in Sayaji Park than in Maharaj Park? First what we will do? We will understand what is the question. They are saying that 2 parks are there in which some trees are there. For what we have to find out? We have to find out how many more trees are there in Sayaji Park than Maharaj Park. So there are more trees in Sayaji Park. So we will write the Sayaji Park trees in top side or top, on the top. Then we will write the Maharaj Park trees in bottom. Then we will subtract the number. So here we can see in units column we got 8 and 5. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Here in tens column we can see 6 and 7. We cannot subtract 7 from 6. So we will borrow 1 from this 200. So here we get 16 tens, and in hundreds column we got 100. Now we will subtract 7 from 16. 16 minus 7 is equal to 9, and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So we got the answer 93. It means 93 more trees are there in Sayaji Park than in Maharaj Park. So Sayaji Park has 93 more trees. Understood? Now here the word problem is not given, but we have to make a problem using the given information. We have to make a word problem by our own and solve them. Okay, students? Here the information is given that beads with Aman is 325. Beads with Sulabha is 155. So based on these information we will make a word problem. So we have made the word problem, that is Aman has 325 beads and Sulabha has 150 beads. So how many more beads should Sulabha take so that they both have an equal number of beads? To find out the difference, what we will do? We will subtract. So first we will write the bigger number, that is 325 in proper column. Downside we will write 150, the smaller number. So on the top beads with Aman, that is 325, and on the downside beads with Sulabha, that is 150. Now we will subtract. 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. 2 minus 5. As 5 is bigger than 2, we cannot subtract 5 from 2. What we will do? We will borrow 100 from this 300, and this 2 tens will become 12 tens, and this 300 will become 200. Okay, students? Now we can subtract it. So 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So the answer is Sulabha should take 175 more beads to make an equal number of beads with Aman. I hope you all are understanding the concept of borrowing by subtraction. Now, this one is a practice for you. Make the problem with your own and solve it. The scoreboard is Ashok 110, Salim 92 and David 48. You have to make a word problem with this given information and you have to solve it. Okay, students? So, this is how the subtraction by borrowing can be done. Students, what you have to do? You have to practice many subtraction of this type till you get them all correct. Okay, students? I hope the concept of subtraction by borrowing is understood by you. Here, the wrap of the video. We will inshallah meet in our next video. Till then, take care. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakallahu khair.